Welcome to the Oliver Way. Today was another big day of flooring. We had about 3/4 of the great room done at the end of today, and we are going to move on to another room very soon, which is really exciting. It's a big help to have my dad here because I know I wouldn't be this far along if he wasn't here for some support and really doing half of the work. 2 men working on this project is much more efficient than if I was doing this alone, so I appreciate him being here. Today though, for the rest of the day, it is Sunday and it is a beautiful day here in West Virginia, like you can see behind me, but man, is it humid. We have so much humidity in the air, it is just hard to breathe when you get out here sometimes, and I'm just not ready for it. And you can see the sweat on my face just from walking outside here the last 5 minutes or so. So what we're gonna do today, it is Sunday, which means I usually start to slow down in the evenings and get ready for the week ahead of me. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that everything inside of this building is ready for this week. And so when we get home from work each day, we have things set up for success so that we can get something accomplished each day when we get home. And that means making sure the sawmill is ready for this pile of logs, because we have a customer order that we really need to get started this week, and we need sawdust for the barn. So we're gonna make sure everything in this garage is set up so when we get home from work, we can jump on the wood-mizer and knock out some logs. To do that, we need some gas. I am low on fuel in my cans, so Melina and I are gonna run to the gas station, fill up on fuel, grab a few things at the dollar store, and get back here and make sure everything is ready for the week. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are about to get absolutely hammered. I was not planning for this kind of a rain to be coming, so we're gonna be cutting today's video a little bit shorter than planned. But what I still do want to accomplish is to get these logs ready for the sawmill. If it's one less step that I have to take to get started here tomorrow, then I'm willing to go ahead and take it. I think I might bump you guys. It's going to be mighty close. We're clear. I think we have just enough room here to swing these logs, and I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to hear me with all this rain, but we're going to do our best to still make something happen here. So we have 2 more poplar logs that have been in the garage for a period of time on this side. I don't know how well you guys can even see me, but we're going to do this quick because I have a feeling with this rain we're not going to have a lot of time before we possibly lose some power. But we're going to get these last 2 poplar logs milled up this week. Early this week is the intention. And then we're going to get into the pine that we have for a customer's order. Trying to get these lined up with the sawmill, the bunks on the sawmill. You want to make sure each end of your log, if possible, is catching one of these bunks. That way you're nice and stable, have a great reference point for your log. Makes all the difference. All right, so we got one. See if we can get number two. I'm gonna spin this guy around and we are in business, guys. This is exactly the way I want to end my Sunday. Ready to run the sawmill. This one didn't quite line up the way I'd like it to. But I think it's going to be okay. I might be able to pull it back with the tractor a little bit. It'll be nice and easy to do. But this storm is officially here, guys. I'm going to take a look outside. I'll show you guys what's happening right outside the window behind you, or the door behind you. It's coming down with a vengeance. A lot of lightning, a lot of thunder. I am beyond done with all the rain and the humidity this year, though. I don't know about you guys, but I sure am. But that is officially going to do it for today, guys. That 30 seconds of work and standing in the rain, I am soaked. So at least we got a little bit of something done in the garage. We're set up for this week. Lots of fun milling projects. A lot of work around the property is going to take place this week. I'm behind on mowing grass. I'm behind on brush hogging and weed eating, all that kind of normal property maintenance that we have to do around here. I'm behind on a lot of things, but we got a lot done today. A lot of good flooring work done. We're really thrilled with how things are looking inside. I'm thrilled that we're finally getting laminate on the floor instead of moving it around in pallets, so that's really exciting. Lots to come this week, guys. I appreciate you tuning in. We've had a little bit of growth the last few days, so I appreciate you. If you're new here, welcome. We are having fun the Oliver way every day. I'm excited for what this channel may hold. I'm excited to look back on these one day and see what we've done around the property. So if you're still here, I appreciate it. Hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe so you can tune into what we get into this week. We have some uncut coming too, and we will see you guys tomorrow on the next one.